it got more painful every time. Even though the loss got smaller, the loss got more painful.
Yeah,
because
of course.
I felt so out of control.
But you have to look at this, if this is going to make you some, serious money, life-changing money, it's going to take several years. You're not going to make life-changing money on any one trade.
Right. And I don't know how to actually make people accept that. It's such a hard thing.
Well,
It kind of goes against human nature to a degree.
It's very counterintuitive. The best trading lessons are very counterintuitive. But just us talking about it, because I talk about this all the time, but they're kind of tired of me talking about it. So this is example A, right? Exhibit A, may it please the court. That, I think, is the biggest thing, where you just have to wait for trades to come to you. This is a big thing too. Everyone's like, okay, I believe you, Tim, Sykes. I want to trade. I'm taking Tuesday off from work. What should I buy? What do you say to a message like that? If you say, let's say you get this DM on Monday and someone's like, okay, I'm taking the day off. I'm going to trade tomorrow. What should I do?
I would ask them, what are your favorite setups? And I would say, look for one of those setups. That's what I would say.
What if they don't know any favorite setups?
Then I would say probably study more before you start trading.
Because do you agree the majority of this is people, it's you versus you? Opportunities
100%.
are there, and then the question
100%.
is, are you mentally there to take advantage of the opportunities?
Yeah, I mean, I'd make the comparison here of you'll see the SEC halt a stock, and people will be stuck long in that, and they'll be like, oh, stupid SEC, I lost because of them. And it's why were you in that in the first place? You were in something that was a halt risk. What can you do to make sure that doesn't happen again?
Or you're, short a stock and it keeps going, and you don't cut losses.
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
you blame others for buying it.
It's manipulated, someone's supporting it, they created short squeeze, it's not my fault. No, it's your fault. You got stubborn. So
every trade is you. It's you versus you, and you have to take responsibility.
So you look in the mirror, you're honest with yourself, and you try to find answers to the problems that you're having. And that's why I didn't get discouraged, because I thought I had answers. If I had failed again and again and again, then maybe I would have started to get discouraged once I felt like I ran out of ideas. But, I never got to that point. The closest I ever came, actually, to being discouraged and oh, wow, do I have a future in trading, was actually about 3 or 4 years in. Whenever I did take that string of 6-figure losses.
Yeah.
Where it was they got smaller every time, but still it was just, it got more painful every time. Even though the loss got smaller, the loss got more painful because I felt so out of control.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is entirely a me problem, and I thought I would have learned this lesson, but I didn't. Why can't I make this change?
What made it stick the last time? Because it was just so big?
I mean, the last one was about 105,000, which was less than half a lake.
Okay.
But I think it was just, again, the pain was the motivator. The pain was kind of the motivator to stay disciplined after the $1,500 blow up. And the pain of the third 6-figure loss was kind of the motivator to say, I have to force myself to size down and fix these habits, because I recognized it wasn't sustainable to keep trading like that. And it was just so frustrating.
Not sustainable in terms of financially sustainable and emotionally, I would say.
Oh, yeah, both.
You don't, when you have those heartbreaks, it's like your life is over. Even if you still have money. When I had my $500,000 loss, I still had roughly $400,000 or $500,000 to my name. So I wasn't broke, but it was humiliating. And it was wow, I'm dealing with a power that I can't control like I thought I could. Mm-hmm. And I never wanted to feel that again.
For sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.